YouTube, it's me, Matt Damon. You join me today on, well, I'm on my way to go and meet up with a young boy, Joseph, and he's just got himself a front mount and a pumaspeed flash map. And what's he get? Oh, and a recirc valve, a forged recirc valve. So I'm on my way to go up there, give him a hand doing that, and let's see what's cracking. But after the map, there's claims of 300 plus horsepower from 247 or something they are, up to like 470 newton meters of torque. So should be pretty speedy. Yeah. That thing struggled for grip anyway, so that's going to be a right laugh trying to put down. Big up Shell for their reward card thing. Just got myself a free pack of wine guns for filling up. Come on! So, I don't want you absolute mug. Well, where aren't we? Oh. Your intake. That, it's just unnecessary. Fat. Look at the actual plenum size to the actual intake.
Fat, that's what that is. Mine was probably an extra few inches, because remember when we
Who done them welds? Me.
Got him!
So what's the actual plan? What's the whole bumper off? Yeah, mate. And it will just bolt straight up?
Yeah, should do. Apparently so.
Alright.
I've got to take the shutters off.
This channel's no swearing, mate, can you not?
I'd open it again, alright?
It's for all the young ones. Can't put that in there, that sounds dodgy. What are you saying then? So, 300 brake.
That's what we're saying.
Yeah?
Crackle maps.
When? Big up Airtec. Look at that.
What are we calling this? How to upset your neighbour? 101.
101. We'll get rid of this, save some weight.
We are undoing the right thing.
Allow. When you sort your life out, we'll do a full feature on it as well. Proper send it.
You ain't even been in Dan's car yet?
Asbo. No, I will though when I drive it.
Later, we'll return them.
Yeah. That's got to come off. Oh, that'll come off your front mount, your intercooler.
Tell you what this could do with some more plastic in there.
There's so many little like air feeds and stuff. Mate, yeah, that's gonna have to come off as well.
Look how
it's gonna go right up behind there.
Yeah, they're the shutters, the auto shutters. They slide out with it. Disconnect the stepper motor.
As if that's good for that.
That's this bit, I think, isn't it?
The horn.
No, the bit behind the one.
Alright, okay.
And the old lefty loosey righty tighty.
Yeah,
these just slide up.
Yeah, that'll come off. It'll be better to get that off after the front mount job.
No, honestly, they slide up and
They're
out.
taken out.
Yeah,
Is it not part of this?
Nah, because the way that goes round there.
Mate, yeah, look under there.
It's slide
That's
out.
one piece.
Pull it out the bottom.
It's one piece.
Breaky, mate.
I don't think I'm looking at the same thing you are. You trying to get it?
It's got to come.
Yeah, look, here, look. This thing.
Yeah, we're looking at the same thing.
Or just remove the front mount, but that's mounted from the bottom as well. Front mount.
That's what I'm saying. Looking at this thing.
Yeah, trying to get it.
Yeah, we did have different ones.
Oh. Oh, what does that say Volvo on it then? Volvo.
If you want to undo the hose on the intercooler on the side.
Don't.
Oh, do it with a screwdriver.
Yeah.
So don't have pliers.
I'm used to working with minimal tools, so I've got. I did it with a ladle.
Done it with a spoon.
Took the tyres. Oh.
Yeah, I need to go get them done. How much straight on PS water?
More than you can afford, pal. Under the old Dubry.
This is mine behind, isn't it? I've got a red one. Oh, okay. I've been sipping on a white one, but I've got a red one.
Mine's at half empty now.
Do your car after you.
This is good. Can you not just give me a socket?
No, because it won't fit in there.
We're not.
No.
This one's different. It actually is. Oh, this is long.
Just get it done.
Make sure you stab that.
I'm going to smash it off in a minute.
Give me that screwdriver. Once it's clipped off, it'll make
Much more sense. It's held on by that plastic.
Stab yourself, didn't you?
What are you up to? James is like, it's gone from get it on the ramps, bring your axle stands, till we do it on the floor.
Yeah, this is easier. Right.
He's gone full Ford fashion. Oh, what's...
Why ain't going off there?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, he's done it.
There we go. Someone's done something.
Oh, she's off.
Right. What's that then?
Good idea putting that there.
Don't need that thing.
Pull it out of the way, go on.
Say what?
We're at it. Or what?
Or what?
Faster.
Go up.
Hello, what's this system? Like a cable tie, was it O-ring or something?
Okay, we're trying to pack it.
I'll tell you what that's for.
Look at that.
I'll tell you what that's for. It's for this motor.
Is it?
These bolts going
It's going to sit on
top
you've
of
got
it.
to go under, up. Hold on, what are you doing? Go up through. That's it, all up. And then on there, in the old doobry,
Oh yeah, in there.
and then over the schmerton.
Oh, the hose on it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm under it. Oh no, that's right, isn't it? Wait.
Yeah, you want to be over
No,
it.
yeah, I want to be.
There you go.
It's dated. When was this made?
Oh, that's his date of sale today.
Oh, date of sale.
Today's date.
Alf. Cheers, Alf. On 12% battery. I'm going to have to get my other one out in a minute. It's all lined up. All lined up over there. All mounted. Just got to mount up this guy. Let's give it a bit of clearance because it is literally touching. And then, yeah. Send it.
Where's that?
I mean, where do we? Oh, can you? Yeah, hold on.
Ash, up.
What's happening?
Bit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, hold on.
You ain't in already, yeah?
Oh no, it's got going. Hang on.
That's coming in.
Oh, look.
Do you know what I mean? Professional.
Look how far back it is. You see it when it's hunting you down. You see it in the rear view. Oh, when it's getting smoked.
Yeah.
When it's in smoke.
Yeah, you'll see it in your review now.
Use ditch finders, you got on it now.
Are they good tyres?
When? Yeah, about a year ago.
I was going to say, about 3,000 miles ago.
Right, the bumper's on.
So,
Kind of. Don't know what's going on there.
I haven't heard the famous, there's the famous Ford clonk to go.
Oh, look at that lineup. Oh, young man. Pre-installed crackle map, flash.
that's the one.
No, that's the original. You got the
Yeah,
original one first, yeah.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
Master hacker. Blip, blop, blip.
What, escape?
Press Alt F4, so what happens. Are we going for it? Is this the commit? Is this the commit to 300 ponies?
480 brake horsepower.
500 wheel, what are you saying?
Oh.
What are you doing that then?
Oh, I think I've got to start it again maybe. Like, the whole thing. We in this bitch.
Oh shit, what does it say?
Turn the ignition off, wait 5 seconds.
Uh-oh.
No going back.
There's no going
There's
back.
no going back. Oh no.
Are we done yet?
30 seconds and it's done.
Cue John
30
Cena's,
seconds and
cue
some
John Cena's
shots
entrance
fired.
music.
We're done. Oh.
That's it, tick over. Uh-oh.
What's it doing then?
What's it up to? You ain't starting here.
No, ignition's off, bruh.
Grow up.
Oh no.
We in here or what? What's going on?
It's just doing its thing, innit?
Why is it loading backwards? I ain't about that live.
Oh no.
What did I say?
It's done.
ECU has been successfully programmed.
Oh no.
Oh god. We're at it, boys. We made it.
This verse of
It sounds like 300 brake.
it. Smells like 300 brake right here.
Warning headphone users. One of them. Yeah. I mean I'm alright. First drive.
Nope.
What is the point? What is the point, you tramp?
That noise.
There we go. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
What have I done?
You are literally 18. No wonder you were looking for a sax, you utter tramp. You want to get... It is just so undaily now. You might as well strip it, cage it. Just get on with it.
Here we go.
Well, the map works.
I thought my pops and bangs were big enough, but this.
No, they're loud.
They are baked in. Well, you done that then?